Hi, I'm Mark Andol, owner of General Welding and Fabricating and founder of the Made in America stores. My parents grew up poor, so my dad taught me how to work with my hands. We always fixed things. He didn't believe in taking them in to have them serviced, so I was the erector set kid. I started Mark Small Engine in Welding, motor doctor on wheels, and Mr. Fix It on Wheels. I'd go around to people's houses in 1985. I was 19 years old. By 1989, I became General Welding and Fabricating. It was a business I opened in a 5,000 square foot area in East Aurora, New York. No heat. Our motto is "You dream it, we build it." From 1985 to 89, I was in the old dungeon. In 1994, we built General Welding and Fabricating, the first building 100% financed, 14,000 square foot, backed by the SBA. Built General Welding and Fabricating from 1994 to 2007. To have 70 employees. Of the 70 employees, I had 18 family members and 3 guys I went to kindergarten with. No rich uncle, had a great team. But 2007, I hit a bump in the road. We had 4 plants in West New York. I was making a steel post that goes inside PVC fencing to give it rigidity and support. My customer, it was a $3.5 million account. My customer wanted more money out of it at a lower cost. I couldn't do it. They said they have a place in Florida to build it. I said, really, you got to do what you got to do. Well, it wasn't Florida, it was China. China took my account overnight. I was shipping to 6 regional support centers. It was all gone, $3.5 million account. Then 2008, 2009, and 2010, the recession hit. We lost our oil and mining work, our military work, decided not to snow in Buffalo, so tough times. I ended up laying off 40 of my 70 employees by 2010, and very tough times for me because it was all people that believed in me. But I came up with an idea to open a Made in America store. Went across the street, there was an out-of-business Ford dealership. I asked Jay Fisher, the owner, would you rent this to me? He said, sure, what are you gonna do? I said, I'm gonna open up a Made in America store for country soldier, American worker, and our children's future. Our mission statement is to create and save jobs by increasing American manufacturing for our children's future. Well, I opened April 3rd, 2010, between Good Friday and Easter. Everybody thought I was crazy. We found 50 products. Our store was a concept in core value was special. It was 100% made in America products down to the glue to the packaging. Well, we opened April 3rd, 2010. A lot of attention from the Buffalo News and then the Associated Press ran it around the world. We're now up to 9,000 products. We support 500 privately owned American businesses. We're in an 18,000 square foot store with a few other brick and mortars around the area of West New York. We support our veterans, honor flights, home base there. Ricky Lee started music for our vets. We do all we can to those that come back. I go to schools and I support skilled trades. I try to give these kids a purpose. I believe in metal shops and wood shops in our high schools and in our schools. I think we failed the educational system, but we got to give kids a purpose. The one size fits all doesn't work. I do speeches and whatnot in jeans and steel toe boots, and people really grab a hold of it. Work it with your hands. I believe career tech education is the way to go. You can make a good living. I never down college, but I think we got to give these kids another choice. The Made in America store has made a difference. We're going strong. Again, it's for country soldier, American worker, and our children's future. Making things in America just makes sense. We've done a lot to make a difference. So thank you very much, and shop me.